How to Make a Homemade Battery by Linda Gardner. Do you ever wonder how batteries create enough power to light a flashlight? You can use chemistry to find out. Chemistry is a kind of science that studies what everything is made of and how it works. In this experiment, you'll use coins, vinegar, and salt to create a battery. This battery will be able to make electricity, a kind of energy that is carried through wires and is used to make machines and light bulbs work. If you follow the steps correctly, the battery should light a tiny light bulb. What you need to start: gather your supplies: a cardboard cereal box, 7 nickels, 7 pennies, white vinegar, salt, plastic mixing bowls, a glass measuring cup, a 1 teaspoon measuring spoon, an LED light bulb with long wires, aluminum foil. What you do: first, cut the cardboard into 7 squares that are each as wide as a penny. Next, mix 1/4 cup of vinegar and 3 teaspoons of salt in the bowl. Put the cardboard squares in the bowl to get them wet. Keep them in the bowl for a few minutes. Then, make the battery by stacking the materials in this order. Put a penny down. Take a cardboard square out of the bowl. Shake it over the bowl so that it is not dripping. Then, place it on top of the penny. Put a nickel on top of the cardboard square. You now have 1 cell or part of the battery. To start the next cell, put another penny on top of the nickel. Make sure the sides of the coins that touch are dry. Then, add another cardboard square and another nickel. Continue adding cells in the same order: penny, cardboard square, nickel. When your battery is done, a nickel will be on the top. Bend the wires of the LED light bulb so that they can fit around the top and bottom of the battery. If the wires are too short, attach strips of aluminum foil to make them longer. Press the longer wire against the bottom penny. Press the shorter wire against the top nickel. The LED light bulb should light up. Why the battery works: everything on Earth is made up of tiny atoms. Rocks, water, animals, and people are all made up of atoms. But atoms are made up of even smaller things. One of the things is called an electron. Electrons can jump from one atom to another. The electrons in some metals jump very easily. When many electrons jump in the same direction, they make an electric current. How do you make electrons jump? Use a battery. There are 2 different kinds of metal in a battery. A special liquid is put between them. The liquid breaks down some of the metal. This lets go of electrons. Because the metals are different, one metal lets go of electrons more easily than the other metal. The other metal takes the electrons. So, the electrons start to move from one metal to the next through the liquid. This creates a current. And that is how batteries make electricity.